Hey, thanks for joining me again. Check this out. So today I got a special treat. This is my ultimate favorite food ever. Number one, top shelf, whichever, whenever, overall, like for reals. Okay, so this one is called beef rolls, and I didn't learn this until half of my life. And when I discovered it, I was like, what the heck is happening? So yeah, every bite is full of flavor. The ingredients are right there. So it's just basically thinly sliced ribeye steaks. Put lots and lots of butter. Butter here, butter there, butter everywhere. Then I cut up 2 whole onions. I do 1 onion first, 39, and then I do the second batch. Alright, yeah, that's my kids just chit-chatting with me. But anyways, yeah, did he just say that? Alright, messing with me. It don't matter. But this is some really amazing food. So here's the trick about this. Yeah, more butter. Oh, butter. So I'm gonna actually use almost 2 sticks of butter for this meal, because steak with butter and the onions is insane. Every bite, no kidding. Okay, that's not what makes it delicious. What makes it delicious is when you combine it with a rice paper. I don't know where it comes from. I think it's Vietnamese, or who knows where it's from. But you add cilantro, slices of cucumber, and you use their special sauce, which is called Nic Mum. And you have to use that in order for it to taste amazing. Here it is. So the ingredients, I put them earlier, were some Nic Mum sauce with 1 lemon, minced garlic, and sugar, like 2-3 teaspoons of sugar. You dip it in here, all right, in the hot water. And I've seen this in other commercials or other channels where they're actually using it to make desserts or whatever. But this is what it's one of the things it's mainly meant to be made for. So yeah, if you never tried this out, check another recipe or try to copy what we're doing right here. So you take the slices of meat that were cooked, like swimming in boiling in oil. Sorry, not oil, butter. Cucumbers. You can put crunchy onions. That's crunchy onions right there. And cilantro. And optional is to add rice noodles, okay? And I'm not kidding. This tops like pizza. This tops like ribeye steak by itself. This tops brisket, in my opinion. Oh my gosh, heck yeah, I would. And then here's the important part. You gotta wrap it, and then you gotta dip it in this special sauce, because all these flavors combine together. Oh my goodness. Oh boy, I could eat this almost every day. I cooked a lot of beef, but it's gonna disappear. It's going to go away. So anyways, hope you enjoy this. If you never tried it, I hope you do. Have a good one. Thank you.